I'm a content creator and a digital business manager, and today I want to go through with you 7 mistakes to avoid as a virtual assistant. Number 1, believing how you did in school will define your success. We all have moments in our childhood where we have struggled, and it has shaped the way we learn and grow. To be able to thrive, we need to acknowledge our early struggles, otherwise it can hold us back our entire life. We don't have to be good at everything to succeed, so just find your passion and begin to recognise what you excel in. Thinking you have to go to college to succeed. This is definitely not true. Yes, it is good to go to college, but it does not define how successful you can be. If you're like me, I learn better as I'm doing a task, not studying how to do something. Not only that, there are so many online courses now where you can learn step by step how to do something and even become certified. What is better than experience, right? Forgetting to save for emergencies. If you don't have an emergency fund, this may backfire. If you run into future issues with your situation, for example, if you work for yourself full time, you may go through a quiet period in your business, so an emergency fund can be there as a safety net. Or if you require healthcare and you're out of work for some time. Always have something in place to back yourself up in case any of these situations arise. Not following your gut instincts. Sometimes you may be in desperate financial state. You end up losing track of what is best for your career and you end up doing anything to get money flowing in. For example, you could end up taking on any kind of client, even the ones that don't feel right. This can lead to you feeling fed up and things not working out the way you would like. You need to trust yourself and do things that feel right for you. Ignoring your credit and finances. Of course, this is probably obvious, but do not ignore your loans and debts. They will only build up and will eventually catch up, and maybe even ruin your business. Not just that, keeping an eye on your finances is important so you know if you have money to be able to invest further into your business, so you can grow. Quitting when something doesn't work. Are you guilty of giving up on something after the first attempt of something and it failing? I know I am. But just remember, you learn from mistakes and each time you improve on things and each time things get better. I believe it's very rare anyone gets something right the first time. Introducing Virtual Assistant Internship. This is a free class. Learn in-demand skills to start working remotely without a degree. Learn how to become a virtual assistant in 90 days or less by taking this free web class. I will leave the link in my description. And there is also other resources you can get that will help you grow your business. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel and connect with me on social media, which I have also left in my description. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.